I thank you and welcome. First, congratulations for taking the first and the most important step to make a significant change to improve your financial situation and everyday life. If you just give me a couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly what your next step will be. You will learn more about what different kinds of income stream you can set up on the internet and how you can earn your very first 10,000 US dollars online. My name is Ukbe John and I live in the UK. I've been a member of SFM and Mentors for a few years now. It has completely changed my life. Before I started, I was working in the oil and gas sector for 25 years, with the last 6 years spent in the project management. I was tired of working long hours and most time remotely, away from family. This sometimes went on for months. That lifestyle took so much from me and left me with little or no time to spend with my family or pursue my interests. I was really tired and fed up and started looking for better ways of creating my income stream, and I knew online was the way and the future. Then I found this ad on the internet. I was really skeptical in the beginning and I thought it was a scam, but I felt so different. So I decided to give it a go and watch the video series. That was the day I started knowing the different kinds of income stream available and how one can set them up, and also the starting point of pursuing a lifestyle of purpose. Today, I earn income working from home. I design my day around my interests and I create my own paycheck. The most common question that I get from people that want to start creating income stream is how to do things. Yes, how to do things seem to be important question. But deeply, the most important is finding out the why. Why do you want to do this? What will be different in your life if you could support yourself? And who will that affect? These are the most important questions. What would you do if you could earn, let's say, 10,000 US dollars per month or more extra? Think of that for a moment. It is possible, but don't worry. I'll give you resources to find out how if you just follow the step here. We will provide you with the answers to all your questions you probably have right now. First, there is a brand new webinar that my mentor has prepared. This will help you to understand how to create income stream online for yourself. And that webinar is called First 10K Webinar. This mentor has trained tens and thousands of students all over the world. He is the co-founder of Six Figure Mentors and Mentors. He is one of the top marketers in the world, and his method is repeatable. One thing more, he is totally dedicated to helping people like you and me who want to create income stream online. Whether you have tech skill or no tech skill, or you have any marketing skill or not, this doesn't matter. His method accommodates different skill level and potential. Everyone can learn and scale it up to their size and level. You get to see him in action on the videos I've lined up for you. Your first step is to join the first 10K webinar. Do grab a pen and a paper when you are attending because it will reveal some great insight to you. I will continue communicating with you on the email from now on. So make sure you look for my email, marked Ukbejohn, in your inbox, and you can whitelist it. I can't wait to start helping you to create income stream online. Remember to sign up for the first 10K and just follow the steps from there. Thanks for watching and a big welcome to our community.